Welcome to another edition of Mathematics Made Easy. Today we'll be looking at bearing. As you know, bearing deals with positions in the earth. In a bearing, normally we have what we call compass bearing, and we also have what we call acute angled bearing. In a normal bearing, every measurement depends from the north, because there are 4 cardinal points as far as bearing is concerned. We have north, south, east, and west. A normal bearing start counting clockwise from north. From here to here is 90 degrees. From here to here is another 90 degrees, 180. From here to here is another 90 degrees, 270. From here to here is another 90 degrees, 360 degrees. So you start counting from here down and return back here. So here, this point here is 0 as well as 360. As far as normal compass bearing is concerned. So which means, as they have asked us here, what is the acute angle bearing of 160? Acute angle bearing depends on 2 major poles. They have north poles and south poles. Now, that makes it that in the north, we have northeast and northwest. While in the south, we have southeast and southwest. How do you measure it? In the north, here is 0. You count from here to here, 90 degrees. While in the same north, you count from that north to west, northwest, 90 degrees. Now, for the south, you start here and count towards this direction, southeast. And this is the end of the point. That is, from here to here is 90 degrees. So you start from 0 to 90. And you start from 0 to 90 for southwest. So in this case now, they are asking us what is the acute angle bearing of 160. First of all, they have given us the values in normal compass bearing. And in normal compass bearing, we know that it starts from the north, 0, and this is 90 degrees. And 160 degrees should be somewhere here. So here it should be 160 degrees. 160 degrees should be here. Now they want us to know, they are asking us what is this position as far as acute angle bearing is concerned. As far as acute angle bearing is concerned, what is the position? Now in this case now, what you do is this. You know that when you talk about acute angle bearing, this position now falls in the southeast. So you try to know what is the acute angle bearing, which is from the south you measure to this point. So for you to know this angle here, you know that the whole of here is 90 degrees. So and you know that from here to here is 90 degrees. 90 minus 160. 90 minus 160 will be giving us 70, which means only here alone is 70 degrees. And you know that the whole of here is 90 degrees. So for you to find this angle here alone is 90 minus 70. And 90 minus 70 is 20 degrees. So we are talking about that 160 degrees on a normal compass bearing is equal to 20 degrees southeast, which means we call south 20 degrees east. So on this note, we have to come to the end of today's edition. If you have any comment to make, please make it on the comment section. Please don't fail to like and share our video so that more people will benefit from it. And if you are not yet following us, please click on follow so that you always get updates on our tutorials. Thank you and God bless you.